The installation of the universal cord tensioner is the same for both chain and cord tensioners. Press and hold both UCT release buttons at the same time. Move the screw hole down to release the safety mechanism. Slide the UCT down to the bottom of the cord or chain loop. Break apart the inside mount and outside mount brackets. Pull down the UCT so that the operating cord or chain is fully under tension. Mark the wall at the notch in the UCT for both cord and chain. Hold the bracket with its center hole aligned with the mark and mark both screw hole locations. Drill the screw holes. Clean the wall surface of any marks. Attach the bracket to the wall using the longer provided screws. Do not over-tighten. Press and hold both UCT release buttons at the same time. Move the screw hole down to release the safety mechanism. Insert the nub of the bracket into the back of the screw hole. Insert and tighten the small provided screw. Do not over-tighten. Ensure the cord or chain moves through the UCT up and down. To remove the universal cord tensioner, first remove the small screw, then remove the bracket from the wall.